Could you imagine starting a business that runs itself with just AI? No employees needed, no big expenses, just you and your brilliant ideas. Well, you have to imagine that no longer, because today we are taking you across 5 mind-blowing AI-powered businesses that you can launch and watch grow effortlessly with very little initial cost. And most importantly, one that will earn you big bucks you're looking for. In an increasingly health-conscious world and target market, healthy eating and nutrition has become more important than ever. You could easily earn anywhere between $10,000 to $20,000 making personalized nutrition plans yearly. It's one of the easiest niches you can exploit, except how do you do it? Well, it's simple. AI-powered personalized nutrition and meal planning. It's an exciting business opportunity that can, combine your target group's passion for healthy food with profitability for you. Here's how it works. Using ChatGPT API, you can create an app that can, create customized meal plans tailored to individual dietary preferences, health goals, and nutritional needs. Your expertise in nutrition will come in handy as you whip up delicious and nutritious meals for your customers. So I would suggest you to do a tiny course on nutrition or read some kind of ebook based on it, in order to first understand what nutrition basically is. And also to watch some YouTube videos on, various kinds of diets and meals that, the dietitians and nutritionists basically prescribe to their clients. I've attached the links for them in the description so you can check them out. On this user-friendly platform, customers will basically input their dietary preferences, and then we will internally take help of GPT API to receive personalized meal plans with ease and maybe transform it a little bit through our own understanding of the subject. Once you have the basics nailed down, your business will almost, certainly start to grow at an incredible pace. Except therein lies a small problem. How do you scale a growing business all on your own? That's where the CoFounder App comes into the play. The CoFounder App is a revolutionary platform that brings missionaries, not mercenaries, to the formation stages of a startup idea. Missionaries are driven by the allure of startup equity, which has the potential to skyrocket 100 times, 1000 times as your idea soars. With CoFounder App, you will find a haven for ambitious professionals and aspiring startup founders, all driven by the vision of something big, something that could, well be your own business. Equity-based partnerships form the bedrock of long-term alignment between potential co-founders, founding members, advisors, and professionals, all united in the dream of making a significant impact. Don't wait. Join the CoFounder App community and take your business to the next level. There is one incredibly important aspect of business that you can't overlook. It's crucial to be well versed in food safety standards, packaging, and labeling. So working with a registered dietitian will ensure your meal plans meet the highest nutrition needs and standards that are required. Revenue-wise, there are several streams you can tap into. You can charge a subscription fee for your meal planning services, sell meal kits directly to customers, and even offer extra goodies like nutritional supplements or fun cooking classes. It's all up to you and what could work best for you in the environment you're in. Virtual tutoring services powered by AI are all the rage these days, especially with the rise of remote learning. If you're thinking of diving into this exciting field, here are some things you should keep in mind. As we know, tutors can already make $4,000 to $5,000 working 40 to 50 hours per week. But if you were to use AI, not only would your cost dramatically go down, so would your hours you need to work. First things first, figure out your target audience and the subject you want to focus on. This will help you carve your niche and build a unique selling point for your service. Then you will have to go through the nitty-gritties of creating your AI-powered platform. To make this happen, you'll just need the use of ChatGPT API, GPT-4 to be specific, and learn the skill of prompt engineering. Through prompt engineering, you can create a kind of interactive chatbot for the students that will help them clear their doubts without revealing the actual answer of their problem. For example, if a student directly asks a question from ChatGPT, they will directly get the complete answer in an elaborative way. However, via prompt engineering, you can create a chatbot to which if a question is asked by a student, it will first give hints to them, just like a tutor would have given in the first place, and help them come up with the approach on their own with a little bit of push as well as hints here and there, just like an actual teacher does. Believe me, this field of prompt engineering will take the tech industry by storm. So you better start learning it. And don't worry, I'll be soon coming up with a tutorial on it, a detailed tutorial that will help you master it better than anyone else. As your business grows, you can add features that will help to teach students using pictures and references. Again, the possibilities are limitless. It's up to you. But one pro tip I would give you here is, don't make a generic tutor, but niche it down as much as you can to the subject in which you have an expertise, as it will help you to write better prompts in order to create a chatbot that knows all the nitty-gritties of that field. Also, in order to market this product, I'd suggest you partnering with schools and educational organizations, utilizing social media advertising and enticing new customers with special promotions. Here's one more field that is left for you, a language translator tool. Well, language translators earn on an average around $52,000 a year. But if you were to run a AI-powered business, you could earn way more considering the lower financial and time cost. At first, you might think like for translating service, Google Translator might be enough. But what about all the languages that Google Translator doesn't cover, as it only has a few hundreds of languages in its database? Well, for a country like India, where there are thousands of regional languages that aren't even in Google database, you can simply create a ML model and train it by gathering data for various of these conversations done in these languages and create your own translator app that covers languages that no other translator app covers. Basically, you can niche down to regional languages of any country and earn money on the basis of subscription model. Maybe you can even partner with international companies and travel agencies that require cross-country communication, and this can boost your success. And building a strong client relationship will ensure timely and efficient translation services. Thus, this app will enable foreigners to interact with people who speak only regional languages of any country. Now, this one's a concept that hardly needs any introduction. An AI-powered platform that basically automates content creation for businesses. According to a survey, 12% of full-time content creators earn more than $50,000 per year, while 9% of niche content creators earn more than $100,000 per year. Well, here's the scoop. The goal is to develop a system that can construct articles, social media posts, product descriptions, and a lot more just from a few keywords. You may use any large language model such as Google Bard or ChatGPT for writing articles, creating product descriptions, or writing impressive captions for social media posts. You may also use MidJourney to create an image based on the caption of the post that the LLM generated, and maybe edit a bit of this image on Canva with impressive titles and subtitles. The possibilities are limitless. You can also even hire a partner with you who can basically add a bit of human touch here and there so as to keep the output creative. You may even take inspiration from an AI-powered content creation platform whose name is Content Genius. Content Genius is a versatile AI tool that is designed to revolutionize the content creation landscape. Believe me, this product opportunity and this business opportunity combines tech-savvy commitment with a keen content perspective. You could even take it one step further and sell this product to literally anyone that depends on content. It's a pure goldmine. In a world absolutely teeming with businesses, one incredible potent way to leverage the sea of ventures is to dive into the realm of AI-powered marketing and sales. The market of AI-powered platforms is predicted to grow to $37 billion by 2025, and you could be making around $1,000 per day doing this. Here's the scoop. AI algorithms will be your secret weapon to analyze customers' data, predict behavior, and dish out personalized recommendations. By doing so, you will be helping businesses up their conversion rates, boost revenue, and streamline their entire operations. It's a win-win for everyone. But before you embark on this exciting journey, you'll need to get cozy with AI technologies and understand how they basically can be applied to marketing and sales. Some AI tools you can look out for are HubSpot, Salesforce Einstein, Adobe Sensei, Marketo, InsideSales.com, ChatFuel, and you can even take Clearbit. All these help in CRM, marketing automation, and analytics. Once you have got the know-how, it's time to develop and sell your AI-powered marketing and sales software. Picture this, your software will automate and optimize business processes with features like personalized product recommendations, lead generation, lead scoring, and automated email marketing campaigns. It's like having a marketing genius at your fingertips. For this endeavor, you should consider using any large language models API that can take basically any input regarding various products that the client might be offering and their characteristics also, and make a sound judgment over various queries based on it. That LLM's API can thus help provide analytics for our app. You may even use AutoGPT API that will help you automate some of the tasks like email marketing campaigns and similar activities like that. By bringing AI into marketing and sales games, you can definitely become the edge that businesses need to stay ahead of the competition in today's ever-changing digital landscape. So that will do for the video, folks. Intrigued by any of these ideas? Let us know in the comments, while you also subscribe to my channel. And until next time, this is goodbye.